Welcome to this week's Harvest of the Month delivery of Mandarins, brought to you by CLA. We run 6 farmers markets across Los Angeles. I'm Christa, and I'd like to share a few refreshing ideas with you about mandarins. Did you know there is no waste in the processing of citrus fruits? The juice is used for fresh juice, the peel to make marmalade and some oils, and the seeds to make other oils. A portion of ½ cup of mandarins is about 1 whole fruit, the perfect serving size. That serving provides a good source of vitamin A, which you need for healthy eyes, especially for night vision. And it's a good source of fiber, which has many benefits and helps keep you feeling full for longer. Go right ahead and eat these just fresh out of their peels. But if you want to make a refreshing summer treat with only 2 ingredients, try this simple popsicle recipe. You'll need 1 6-ounce container or 3/4 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt and about 4 of the mandarins. Peel the mandarins and mash them up with a fork or in a little food processor into little juicy pieces. Now, layer the mandarin and its juice into each mold. Then a teaspoon or so of yogurt. Keep alternating until the mold is full. You could also zip it all together in the blender if you'd like a smoother consistency. Freeze for at least 4 hours. Run hot water over the molds to loosen, and then pull out your pretty cold popsicle. This makes 4 regular popsicles. But you can also make these in Dixie cups or whatever you have on hand. Local farm shout out, this week's harvest came to you from local California farm Fresh Fruit Farms, about 2 hours north of Los Angeles in Tehachapi. I hope you've enjoyed this week's fun tips and quick, delicious recipe. I'll see you for next week's harvest delivery. Until then, enjoy your mandarins, and I hope to see you at a farmer's market soon.